Wakanda forever!
What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be doing two unboxings. We're going to be doing the unboxing of the Zoom H1n portable recorder. And then we're going to also be doing the Sony tie-clip omnidirectional stereo microphone. So, like always, please do all that cool YouTube stuff. Like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It definitely helps out the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just taking a look at the box itself. And you guys can pause that and, you know, all the different options on this particular microphone. What the package actually includes, the actual recorder itself, 2 AAA batteries, and a quick guide. So then what we'll do, we'll crack it open and see what the presentation is looking like. But this particular recorder itself has onboard stereo microphones. It is camera mountable using I believe it's a 1/4 1/4-inch mic adapter. You can see the usual books. Shout out to Floss. More books, more instructions on how to customize your different sound profiles. Also uses that you can hook up a USB microphone. You can get into some overdubbing. You can utilize it for dictation, recording music, audio for video, and interviews. Because again, it has the sets of microphones there. This particular model is the 2018 model. They have pre-2018 model. And but this one in particular, this 2018 model has the microphones in a 90-degree XY format, one-touch controls. You can get about 10 hours of continuous recording time using the built-in mic at 44.1 kilohertz at 16-bit. But obviously you can utilize the different sound profiles to you know, and then that will kind of determine how much playback or how much recording you can get and playback itself. It has playback speed controls, voice emphasizer filter, the stereo overdubbing functions, and things of that nature. I've got the batteries put in here, and so you guys can actually see the microphone itself. As you can see, it has the gain portion, the gain portion, and on the sides the different the different controls and whatnot. The SD card goes right there on the side. Get through the little gasket area. You can see all the controls. You can fit a proprietary or just one that you can get off Amazon, just a little mic, the mic thing to, you know, saying to dumb down the sound and to make it sound a lot crisper. So, you know, these are kind of some of the options that you can utilize. Goodbye. See you soon. Looks dope. So on to the Sony tie clip microphone. It's a omnidirectional microphone, and this one in particular you can get for $24 on Amazon. And I apologize again for the Zoom H1n microphone. That one is $119 or $120 on Amazon, so I apologize on that one. For this Sony ECM CS3 tie clip style omnidirectional stereo microphone, this one in particular comes with the microfiber cleaning cloth, and it's an actual cleaning bundle itself. This one right here is perfect for hands-free recording. It's a microphone, obviously, and it rotates for flexible placement. So you can attach this one to your to like your tie or your shirt or whatever, or under your shirt. It's perfect for DVR or PC. You know, when you're out, if you got like a vlogging channel or something of that nature, it's perfect for something like that. So if you like what you see, I'll leave the links in the description. And as you can see, how it's utilized with the H1n microphone, it goes directly in the slot, and then with the line out, you can actually hook it up to a PC or a different audio recording device to get the full meal deal. So I'm not going to keep you guys here too long. You guys take care of each other. Peace.